Hello and welcome to another episode of Model Kit Builds. Today I am doing my unboxing of my very first Flame Toys Furi model Transformers Model Kit Megatron IDW Decepticon version. There's another version of this in which he has an Autobot insignia. This is from the More Than Meets the Eye comics, where he at one point flips to being an Autobot for a while. So it's a very controversial Transformers thing that some people like, some people don't. Me, I like it. I don't mind Megatron being an Autobot. Anyway, so yes, here is the top of the box. Very plain, if you ask me. The front just says Transformers Model Kit Megatron IDW Decepticon version. The side has that same image. Back has that same thing. And this side has nothing. So yeah, it's a very plain ass box. These are officially licensed, by the way, by Hasbro and Transformers. So that's it for that part of the box. So let's get into the contents. First of all, there are apparently screws. I don't know why, but there's screws. Then we have the foil stickers here. Very shiny. Anyway, so first up we have like E1 in gray. We have E1 again in gray. Then we have E2 also in gray. Then we have the F5 runner, which is in a lighter gray. Then we have the D1, which is in an even lighter gray. We have F4, then we have C1 in that same even lighter gray. We have D2, F4 again, D2 again, we have F1 in a very nice dark red. We have C2. We have G1, which is like a polycap runner here. We have G1 again, which is another polycaps. We have G2, more polycaps. We have A1, which is all just in black. We have B1, which is also in black. Then we have B2 in black. And then we have B2 again in black. And finally, we have F2, which is in trans red. So now let's take a look at the manual. So this manual is something that people have warned me about. So let's see why. Oh, I see why. These instructions are absolutely tiny. Holy cow. Even Bandai's instructions are not that bad. Anyway, you have the runner count here. And then you have the beginning here. It looks like it starts with the arms. Both arms. And then the head up there, then it goes to the body, which is here, and then we have the legs over here, and final, oh, that still is the legs, and then his gun, and then you put it all together, put the arms together, slap the arms on, the gun on, and that's it. And then there's just the back of the manual there with some action shots. A little bit about how to cut parts out. So yeah, so I wanted to say that I got this at Hobby Lobby. I only paid $35-ish for it. It was a 40% off model kits from their weekly ad, which, as of recording it, this is the last day of that weekly ad. So if you're watching it right now, great. If you're watching afterwards, don't get excited. Unless they are doing it again, in which case I don't know. But yeah, regularly this went for $55, which I guess we'll see after building it if it's worth $55, but I don't know. I had been wanting to try one of these, and I like the IDW designs that they've done, since getting actual transformable figures of the IDW designs are expensive because you have to buy third-party kits, and we all know third-party kits, so yeah. Anyway, that's all I got, so thank you for watching, and goodbye.